Good morning to day 299. You forgot where I was then. Pretty sure it's 299. Today they're doing the LC top parapet all the way around. And just around here, the two underneath boxes that we showed yesterday. One of them's been Worldcrete, but they haven't done the other one for some unknown reason. They needed to be done yesterday because Worldcrete ideally needs 24 hours to go off. Talking of 24 hours, obviously a day ago we had quite a few subscribers, new people joining again. So whilst I'm on, any new people, thank you, welcome. Anybody new, please share, like and comment as much as you can. The more people that get to see your comments, the more people like and subscribe, and the more information that comes to me and you. So yeah, any help you can give, that would be great. We want to try and get to 1,000 subscribers. I think we're in sort of late fives at the moment, 575, something like that. Should be 10 times more than that. I saw a guy that's actually doing a welcome to my dream house build in Jamaica 10 months ago. He's getting 6,000 to 7,000 views a video. I think I'm getting around about 500 to 1,000, which is a bit weird. I'm not too sure why we've got nearly 300 videos and been going for 9 months. He's got about 7 videos and been about 10 months. Yet he seems to be getting 6,000 to 8,000 views a video. We seem to be getting between 5,000 and 1,000. Something's not right. Unless my waffling's a load of crap and no one wants to listen to it. There is that. Today we're going to be finishing off the ceiling in the cottage. Once that's done, then we're going to be getting into the main house and finishing off some painting and some grouting in there. Obviously the guys are taking down some of the formwork in the front part here. So here, between here, this beam here and the beam inside's about 5 foot. So we can take the formwork down in that 5 foot because nothing's actually supporting the roof there. But the rest of it has to stay up for another 19 days. So they're going to finish plastering in the front wall edge, which is, as you're looking at the garage, the main left wall, looking at the front, they're going to get that bit. They've already got that bit plastered in, they're waiting for it to draw. They're going to start on the inner box here, and they're going to Worldcrete the other one a little bit along, so they can actually get both those plastered in today. So ceiling in the cottage, formwork down, parapet, and the two inner cupboards, gas and condenser cupboards. And I think that's pretty much the plan for today, so hopefully they can get that done. We have another team of people coming on, give us a price to do the wall at the back here. Like I said, we're meant to be taking the caps off, filling it with concrete, and going up 3 levels on blocks. The guys that actually came out to give us a quote, they're meant to be starting Thursday, never turned up, so God knows what happened there. They're not corresponding, they're not taking any phone calls, they're not responding to any texts. Welcome to Barbados. So that's pretty much where that's concerned. I've got quite a lot of admin to do today, so I've got to try and catch up some bits and bobs, so I won't be so hands-on as I normally am. But so I'm going to get Sherwin into the house once he's finished doing the ceiling in there and get him focusing on some items in here, caulking, silicone, windows, that sort of stuff. I want every room now to be finished off, so at a point where we're just waiting for these goddamn doors, which apparently might be this week, might be next. So the doors are at the sprayers, they're being sprayed as we speak, and could and should be finished by the end of the week, which means they could be fit in sooner than that, but we never get any commitment out of these people, so God knows, it could be this week, could be next. Fingers crossed it'll be this, because it means that we'll have 2 more doors in there. It means we've got 6 doors in and on. Hopefully we can get them finished off as well, because as you've seen, they look a bit of a mess. And then we can then start putting some time and effort into focusing on the front door, which again has been installed but just left as it is. We are still waiting for the main front door lock to arrive, but again that should be here already, which if it is, I'll go and get that picked up today. I've got to go and get the trowel plastic for the shower wall today. I've also got to go and nip and get some adapters for the alarm system. And whilst I'm out, I may as well obviously nip in and try and see if I can pick up the locks if they're there. Even if the lock's not there, I still need to buy a couple of other lock latches for the WC and one of the spare bedrooms, so I can try and pick those up today if I can. Other than that, we are where we are. I went on the beach early this morning, very, very early. It was pretty cool actually. There was hardly any wind this morning. The sun came up about 5:45, 20 to 6. And by 20 to 7 it was still lovely down there with a very small breeze, and the sea was pretty cool. Other than that, that's my day so far. So we're at 9 o'clock. Hopefully these guys will get some productivity kicked out today, and we'll end on a good note, and fingers crossed we can get stuck into building the wall tomorrow, whether it be this new team that are going to turn up or my existing guys. But there is a little bit of work to do before we can actually even start looking at the wall. But anyway, we'll get there. And the other thing we need to do, apart from the cat, obviously, is get that water out of the swimming pool before it starts going stagnant. And we all know what happens when water goes stagnant here. So anyway, thanks again. Like and subscribe whilst you're on, and I'll check in with you in the next couple of hours. Thank you.